Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful purple and white magical themed chest set. Now, I was gifted this set by the company Let's Resin, and I was also very kindly gifted this heating mat alongside some mica powders and some other molds as well, which I'll show you in future videos. So I'm actually using this heating mat for the very first time in this video, and it also comes with a silicone mat as well, which you lay on top of it whilst you're doing your work. Please do not turn on the heating mat until you are ready to let your stuff cure, otherwise you'll be in for a bit of a nasty surprise. So the mica powders are absolutely beautiful, so I went with this dark violet, and I couldn't quite choose between seashell or white, but eventually I just went with white. And of course, you know me already, I am a Larissy glitter girl, so I had to chuck some of that in there. I used some really sparkly blacks that I had, and I particularly like the 4 pointed stars that are in there because they're also holographic. I definitely think that the key to making these chest sets is patience. I literally dripped in the resin bit by bit. I know that it's super sped up in this video, but I did it bit by bit into each and every single square. And I used different tools to just sort of try and push the resin out to the edge so that I didn't overfill the squares, because the last thing you want is for your colors to start blending. Then I'm using one of the split cups that Let's Resin also sent me to mix in some dark grey, some light grey, well, black supposedly, but it's more like a dark and a light grey, and also clear to give a very sort of smoky effect, a little bit like when a magician does a trick and then there's a big puff of smoke. Yeah, that's the kind of vibe that I was going for. When I'd finished gawping at how beautiful that this turned out, I then just simply filed off the edges on the back, and then I did a top coat. Now, I probably would have filled in the grooves in between each square, maybe with a different color, maybe with a gold, if I was to do this again, but you know, I'll try it next time. Now it's time for me to do the pieces. Now, I highly suggest that you do this slowly and that you squeeze the bottom of the piece. Well, it's actually the top when you flip it, but squeeze the bottom part and get out the air bubbles as you go, because if you just pour the resin all the way in without doing that, it's going to be really difficult to get the air bubbles out. But if you do it my way, then you should be able to get some pieces with barely any bits missing, if any at all. The last time that I created a chest set, I used a completely different mold. It was one whereby it was the pieces, they were in half, and so you had to do two of them and then stick them together, which is actually a bit long and a little bit frustrating. But I really am so happy with the way that these ones turned out. I definitely will be using these in the future. So now let's put it together. So what do you think, my darlings? Which set of pieces do you think turned out the best? The purple or the white? Let me know what you think in the comments. I think that this is absolutely beautiful, and I'm really happy with the end result. I'd love to know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.